This video was made completely for free, in under 5 minutes. The characters don't just move.
Can't let her leave!
They talk, react, and feel almost real. And the crazy part?
Too late.
You can build this exact same thing in just 3 simple steps, even if you've never done this before. So let's break it down. Step 1 is creating the story, because every animation starts with one thing, a story prompt. And the easiest way to create that is using ChatGPT. So here's all you need to do. Just give it a simple idea, like a Pixar-style story about a boy and a girl. And from that, it builds everything for you. The characters, the scenes, and even the dialogue. I've added the exact prompt in the description so you can copy and try it yourself. You can also change the style, the story, or even the language to fit your idea. But for now, just focus on the workflow. Within seconds, you'll have a full scene-by-scene story with dialogue. Once your story is ready, the next step is creating images for each scene. And again, ChatGPT can help. Just ask it to generate detailed 3D Disney Pixar-style prompts for every scene. Within seconds, your image prompts are ready. Now, let's turn those prompts into actual images. For this, we'll use Flow AI. After logging in, click on New Project. But before we start generating scene images, there's one crucial step. We need to create our characters. Start by taking the character descriptions from ChatGPT, paste it into Flow AI, and generate the characters. Once your character images are ready, you have 2 options. Generate scenes directly using your prompts and characters, or create a character sheet to capture different emotions, expressions, and angles. This step is optional. Nano Banana is already great at keeping characters consistent. But if you want maximum control, I'll share the exact prompts I use later in the video. But before I show you how to generate full scenes, look at what this can actually do. Using just 2 character images, let me show you what's possible. Here's the boy rushing down a train platform in panic. And here's the girl stepping off the train. Perfectly consistent. Now imagine this, both of them sitting inside a moving train, or arguing on the platform. Every scene, clean, cohesive, and consistent. Let me show you this in action. And the best part? You don't need Photoshop or any drawing skills. Let's create this exact scene right now. Inside Flow AI, start by pasting your scene prompt into this box. Then from here, select the image option. Choose your aspect ratio and the number of image variations you want. You can then go with Nano Banana Pro, Nano Banana 2, or Imagen 4. And here's the best part. It shows 0 credit usage, which means you can generate as many images as you want for free. Now, click the plus icon, upload both character images you generated earlier, and hit Generate. Here's the result. For every new scene, just repeat the same process. Upload your character images and your prompt. This is what keeps your characters consistent, and the difference is huge. Let me show you what that looks like. Repeat this for all your scenes, and just like that, you'll have a complete cinematic story. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. In the next step, we're turning these images into a full animated video. If this is helping you so far, drop a like. And if you get stuck, just ask in the comments. Now, let's bring everything to life. We'll use Flow AI to animate these scenes with realistic motion, dialogue, and even lip sync. To do that, we will need motion prompts. Open ChatGPT and upload the scene image. Then enter, generate a cinematic image-to-video motion prompt for VO3 from this image, including character motion, camera movement, and a short lip-sync dialogue. Hit send, and you'll get your motion prompt. Just copy it, paste it into Flow, and upload your scene image. Then switch to the video option. From there, set your aspect ratio, and pick how many variations you want. Next, choose a model like VO 3.1, light, fast, or quality. And here's the best part. You don't even need to pay. Flow gives you 100 credits when you sign up, plus 50 credits every day. Once everything is set, generate it. Within seconds, your video clip is ready.
Too late.
Pretty impressive, right? Want to go deeper? Start on the left, or watch the full workflow with free tools on the right.